Hainanese Chicken Rice is a celebrated dish originating from Singapore, combining minimalistic ingredients with a burst of flavor. Begin by poaching a chicken in hot water with garlic, ginger, and a bit of salt until tender. For the rice, fry it in chicken fat with garlic and ginger before cooking it in the flavorful poaching broth. Serve the aromatic rice alongside the succulent chicken, complemented with a variety of sauces like soy, chili, and ginger garlic paste. Garnish with cucumber slices and fresh cilantro for added freshness, offering a taste of Singapore that's both simple and delightful.